Here are my shoes, Seven Jeans Company. That's the back. It is red stitching. There's stitching all along the bottom here. There's lines. Both of them right there. As you can see, there are no scuffs. Anything right there is just dirt. A little bit dirt, but that's fine. It could just be wiped off. And other than that, right there is a Seven Jeans tag. Just right down there. Seven Jeans. Right there says Seven Jeans Company. That's that. Here is the other shoe. Again, mint condition. No scuffs, no nothing. That's the shoe. And then there's stitching again at the bottom. Those are the bottom. It's barely used, as you can see. Otherwise, all the writing, even at the bottom, would have faded off. I wore these shoes maybe a maximum of 3 times. Again, that was to school, so not walking in rocks or anything, but again, all the writing is still there on both shoes. So that's that. So there's just shoes right there.